In this video, I will show you how you can turn off selfie camera mirror effect on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if I open the camera app on my Samsung phone, then if I go to the selfie mode, now if I place my hand at the left side of the camera frame, as you can see, my hand is on the left side of my Samsung phone, and in the preview, it is showing that my hand is on the left side. But if I capture a selfie, then if I check the output, as you can see, it has mirrored the photo. Now to cancel or turn off this mirror effect, just go back to the camera app and tap on the four dots over here. From here, just tap on the settings icon, and under settings, just scroll down. Now over here, you will find the option for save selfies as previewed. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, now if you go back and if we capture the same selfie again, as you can see, my hand is on the left side, and in the preview, it is showing the same thing. And if I capture the photo, as you can see, we have captured the same photo as it appeared in the preview, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.